How to create your own filter on Snapchat Lens Studio. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can create our own filter on Snapchat Lens Studio. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing is you need to download the Snapchat application onto your device. After that, there are some processes you need to follow in order to create your lens on Snapchat Studio. So you may either go for snapchat.creator.com in order to create that, and you should be able to see an option called creating a lens, and you need to go along with the process. Since I'm in a region where the Snapchat doesn't allow me to create lens, I'm just going to tell you briefly on how you can do it. For that, you may just number one process is design your filter. You can use Snapchat's template to create a simple text-based overlay, or you can upload your own design. For that, you need to choose your location where you want people to see your filter. After that, you need to follow Snapchat's guidelines. Make sure to follow Snapchat's artwork guidelines to avoid having your filter disapproved. And number four, set your filter location. If you're creating a geo filter, you can draw a boundary around your preferred location. And number five, you may upload your filter, upload your design, and select continue. And on number 6, you may just check out and pay, set a time period and location, then check out and pay. And you can also create a filter for an event such as holiday party or wedding reception. You can also create a location filter for your business. Or you may also create a filter on Snapchat by going to snapchat.com and selecting create, get started, filters, and after that go to settings and tapping filters and lenses, get started, and then filter. And that's how you basically create a Snapchat filter on Snapchat Lens Studio. So therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.